Here guys, this video is only for educational purpose, and if the image is owned by you, so this video is for you. So this video's intention is not that spreading violation like to lose someone business. This is for educational purpose, and if the image is owned by you, you can apply this process. Okay. So this video I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your image. So this image is downloaded from pixel.com, and I directly marked on image like my YouTube channel name, Developer Suman. Okay, so I'm going to remove this Developer Suman watermark from this image within a second using AI website. Okay, so first you have to open your Google browser, and you have to type here like watermark remover. As you can see that there are a couple of websites popping up, and I'm going to click on the first website. So here this website is like AI software, and this will automatically delete your watermark. So I'm going to drag and drop this image to my browser, I mean in this site. Okay, that my image is processing, and it will be automatically deleted the watermark from the image. Okay guys, as you can see that my watermark is completely removed very nicely. So you can apply this process on your image. And like I want to tell you one thing, that this website is not sponsored by this website owner. Instead of sponsoring that, I think this is a nice website, and everyone should know about this website. So this is a paid website. Like first image I removed is for free, but the other image, when you are going to upload the second image or third image, they will ask you to subscribe their system. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you understand the video and the process. So take care, bye bye. I will see you, your beautiful face, in the next video.